Are you struggling to wake up early? Have you tried many times to wake up early and you find that, oh my God, I'm not the morning person. This is not for me. I think I should work at night times. And I tried many times, I didn't wake up early, right? If you're thinking like that, this is the perfect video for you. This is the perfect video for you. And this is Ramesh Yadav, productivity expert, welcoming you to this video. And please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're watching this on Facebook, hit the love symbol and follow my page for powerful value like this, right? Wake up early at 4 a.m. It's everybody's dream. Every other successful person says that wake up at 4, work hard, achieve success. Everybody says that. But no one will say how to wake up at 4, right? I have been consistently waking up at 4 since 3 months without breaking a single day. Oh my God, Ramesh, I think you're lying. No, because I have been implementing a framework on my mind, on my body, on my schedule, on my routines in such a way that waking up early is a cakewalk to me. Waking up early is a cakewalk to me. Do you want to know the framework? Then open your notepad and pen. I'm going to tell you the 3-step framework to wake up early at 4 a.m. If you want, you can wake up at 3 a.m. also. If you want, you can wake up at 2 a.m. or 1 a.m. It's completely up to you. But I'm going to tell you the framework to wake up very early in the morning so that your world is completely sleeping. That is the right time to work for your dreams. That is the right time to work for your highest purpose of your life, right? The first step why we are failing to wake up early is because of lack of purpose. Lack of purpose, yes. You are not clear on what you want. That is the biggest thing. Yes, that is the biggest thing. You're not knowing what you really want in life. If you know exactly what you want, if you have a compelling goals and a compelling why, there is no need of alarm. There is a no need of alarm to you to wake up. In most of the cases, why you don't wake up, even you are waking up and you're sleeping again, because you don't have a compelling reason to wake up, right? Because your subconscious mind will work in this way. Subconscious mind will only direct you towards the dominating thoughts. If your dominating thoughts are negative, if your dominating thoughts are distractions, then you're more likely to distract. There is no magic in that, right? There is no magic in that. In the same way, if your dominating thoughts are your purpose, your dominating thoughts are you yourself are growing towards the next level person, becoming super successful, achieving financial freedom, building powerful relationships, having a healthy, strongly vibrant body, right? If you have a compelling why, if you have a clear purpose, it's very easy to wake up at 4, right? That's what I've been applying. I really wanted to be well known for productivity. I have a compelling why. I'm on a mission to help at least 1 lakh students, entrepreneurs, and employees to 10x their productivity without procrastination, distractions, and extra efforts. That's what my mission is. That's what my purpose is. What's your purpose? Have you found your purpose? If yes, you win the first step. If not, first find your purpose, find your compelling why. Then only you can able to wake up at 5, wake up at 4. It's not possible if you just a wish that I want to wake up at 5. A small wish will never work, will never work. You need to have a compelling why dominating your subconscious mind with your goals and purpose, right? The second thing is your habits. Your habits. The second hack is your habits. How your habits are. Suppose yesterday you worked very hard or you wasted the whole day and procrastinated the whole day and completely having distraction of the digitals, like smartphone, overusing the smartphone, or maybe overusing the laptop for a series, web series or something. Suppose you sleep at 11 p.m. or maybe 12, maybe at 12 at midnight. It's very hard to wake up at 5. It's very hard to wake up at 4, right? Your sleep routine, your habits, your sleep routine, your eating routine, your daily schedule, the way you treat yourself is very important to wake up at 4. It is a science. It is a science. I have been implementing and I have been teaching to a lot of my students, right? My inner circle members. They're waking up at 4 every single day. How is that possible? Because this is the framework, right? Suppose yesterday you have a drink, you have an alcohol drink or something, and your mind is completely boozy and disturbed. It's very hard to wake up. Even if you wake up, you are more likely to sleep again. That should never happen, right? It means You should understand your waking up at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. is directly depends on your habits yesterday. If your habits are not good, if you're not having the right habits and right mindset, it's very hard to wake up at 4. It's very simple, right? In the same way, try to have 8 hours of proper sleep. Suppose if you want to wake up at 4, make sure you sleep at 10, right? Or make sure you sleep at least 9 to 4. Or if you want to wake up at 5, at least sleep at 10 without smartphone. Just sleep, close your eyes and sleep, because you need to have a 8 hours of proper, which means 6 complete REM cycles. You want that sleep cycles. Otherwise, you feel disturbed, you feel annoyed, you feel not interested to work even after you wake up. That should never happen, right? In order to create a habit, you need to follow a structure, right? And come out of the digital distractions, come out of that mindset, that boozy mindset, right? Come out of it. It's very easy to wake up at 4, right? We are all doing it. Why not you? Why not you? Right? And the third step is the third step why you're not waking up, or you're waking up but not being consistent, because you don't have a clear plan. You don't have a clear plan. Yes, you know, in most of the cases we wake up and we are more likely to sleep again. You know why? Because our mind is exactly following, it's very step by step structure. If it is confusing, your mind is again going to sleep, your mind is again going to bed. It should not happen, right? Then you should have a clear plan. 4 to 5 this, 5 to 6 this, 6 to 7 this, 7 to 8 this. In the same way, you should have a clear plan. You should have a clear plan to build your whole day, right? Can you see this? If you really have that plan, then it's very easy to be consistent, to wake up at 4 a.m. It's very easy to wake up at 5 a.m. Even I wake up at 4 a.m. every single day, and what I'm doing is 4 to 4:30 refresh, 4:30 to 5:30 I'm doing a course. I'm learning regarding Facebook ads, content creation. I'm learning new things about mindset. From 5:30 to 7:30 I have been working on my mindset in the sense, I listen Stranger Secret in the World every day, and I do some interesting stuff. I look at my stats, a lot of things. And from 7:30 to 8:30 it's a break and a breakfast time. From 8:30 to maybe I can continue my day. 8:30 to maybe I start my office, and that is my BPT, biological prime time, where my energy is high, where my distractions are less, where I'm interested and I'm hyper focused on an important activity on morning times, right? If you really want that, just follow this framework. And this is all for this video. If you really want to implement these frameworks and start converting yourself into a super productive person, then I'm very excited to invite you to my next 5-day online journey called Super Productive Bootcamp. In the live bootcamp, I'm going to show you these ideas and implementation steps to become a new person in this new year, right? Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. This is a powerful golden channel in the world. It's a brand new productivity channel to make you more productive. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ramesh Yadav, productivity expert.